Ladies and gentlemen, in another video in my YouTube channel, SolidWorks Expert with Mohammed Bushnaq. So today I'm going to do you a first tutorial about SolidWorks, how total beginner exercise. I'm going to present to you the SolidWorks interface and how to start with it. So as you see, when the first time opening SolidWorks, this will appear. This is the first time opening the SolidWorks. We are going to start with parts. There is two ways to open the part, either from here, as you see. This is the window of the part. The other way is from here. See, repeat it a lot of time. From here, either appear push this one or this one, the same thing. Okay, let's begin. So, when you open SolidWorks, you will find a lot of things here. The basics to learn is to begin with Sketch tab right here. See, you have to learn, the first thing to do, you have to learn the sketches, how to do a sketch. Then, after completing the sketch and defining already mentioned the variation, the shape of the sketch to the sketch, you will be forming that sketch into a 3D part like this one. You will be forming it. Understand? After forming it, you will be doing another sketch on that 3D shape, and you will be forming it until you have the desired shape you want. Okay, so it's very easy. When you open SolidWorks, you find those three planes. As I told you, when you open the SolidWorks, you have those three planes. To select them all, press Shift, as you see here. You can hide them or show them right here. See? Okay. See? So, you have to select one of those planes like this. Then, after clicking on it, this will appear. See? You can do a sketch here. You can normal to that plan, or you go to sketch from here and select this. By selecting it will be normal automatically. You can hide the other planes so we can start our sketch. So in order for you to begin drawing your sketch, there are a lot of ways. You can select the lines from here, the circles, all the desired shape. I will be introducing it to you here, all of them, one by one, how we can use them, or the dimension, or you can push the S button. See here, it will be doing it rapidly. The same thing right here will appear here. See, you can push the buttons, do anything you want, or you can push the L button and you have line. As you see here, circle button, and you have S. Everything you push will be, see here, L button. See, it is already written on it, the L. You have line. You can do whenever you want with that line. So, personally, I think the best thing to use is the S short key. So let's begin right now. Begin with the line. So, the line. When you use the lines, you can do shapes like this. Simple. See, this appeared to me. Why this dimension appeared to me? Because I have already parametered. Here, in the Sketch tab, you can see this. One, create dimension only when you remove this. After removing this, see, it it will be removed. See, as simple as that. If I return it, it will be automatically sketch. All this, I will do another video to introduce it all to you, how it functions, each one, what to do, the parameters. I will give you also a customized parameter setting. It will increase your performance and help you a lot. Even right here, see, I have already customized the SolidWorks window, so it can do the measurement or the mask property. Don't have to go to others windows. So after returning the sketch right here, as you see, we'll be able to put a dimension directly to SolidWorks 50, as you see. Example, see this dimension right here. If you put the dimension right now, if you want to put dimension, you can double click on this one, see, or you can do this one, right click, then do this one, smart dimensioning. There is a whole bunch of dimensioning right here. If we push this one, we'll be selecting them all automatically. As you see, you can do it from here, the S button also. See, we can do it from right click here. We can do it by clicking this 2 times. There is a lot of ways. See this one, 38. As you see, why it is not very different from the 50, because the first dimension we do in a sketch, no matter what is the sketch, the first dimension doing it, all the other lines or circles or properties will be scaled to that dimension. See here, if we put this 100, all the other will be scaled. See, all the others will follow this one. If we put this to 50, see, it returned, but we push the Ctrl Z. See, right now, see the same thing. If we delete it and do it again by clicking 2 times, it appear here, 125, the sketch will become smaller. It will auto scale the entire sketch. So you have to be very alerted. It is very important, because if you do a very small begin with very small sketch, you can't do the trim. You have to choose exactly the one to begin with, as you see. So let's continue. If we want to do a circle right here, by returning to this point, we'll be able to create a little circle. See, right here, we'll be able to do a lot of shapes without any problem at all. Can do it either this way, or we return, do it the other way, or we return doing this way. You can do it the other way. See, this way, this way, this way, this way. You can do it as much as we want. It's very easy to use. Right now, after continuing, we have to place there is a whole bunch of variation we can do the SolidWorks. I'll be introducing them later. See, this is the line property. So the first one right here, it can do lines, it can do little circles like this, and we can place a center line. This center line right here is only for reference. See, you can use it as a reference. It's not going to affect the sketch. It's going to help us only for dimensioning, or for putting this equal to this. See here, you can put this, for example, 4 mm. The same thing here. See, 4 mm. Or by pushing Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, into our normal shape, can push this, Control this, it will give us the symmetric. See, just like that. There are a lot of things to know in SolidWorks. So that is the normal line, the center line. Now from the midpoint line. This midpoint line will give us a point to start with, then we do the other. Comprehend? We want that the line to give us the center of things, like this one, this point. Understand right now? If we push this one, see here, give us only we go to the midline, give us the point, and we do 2. See here, can use it in other things. So after completing the line little tab right here, we will go into circle. The circles is very easy. We'll push the button. It will give us the circle right here. This tool right here, as we see, it will give us the dimension to help us a lot in our work. Without that option right here, as I already showed you here, the sketch, we'll be not seeing that one. See here, it will be hidden from us. See, we must do this in order for us to create the dimension, or to do this, push 2 times to be shown us the dimension, and we can change it as much as we want, or from here, as I already showed you. So this is the first type of the circle. See here, you can place whenever we want. See here, because it is not yet defined. Because if we want to find something, we can fix it. We become black, as you see here. We can, that is a relation. See here, we can place it whenever we want, and they will move together. See, that is another dimension auto created by SolidWorks. If we push the circle, do this, give us why it is related to that one. Understand right now? I'll give it to, I'll be hiding the plane when we drawing right now. If we push this normally, it will be showing us all the display. See here, showing us the dimensions. See here, tangent, point. If we go to this one, I just don't want it to be rated to that one. I just have to push Ctrl Z, or I'll do this. See here, this coincidence, I'll be removing it. As you see here, is rated thanks to that coincidence relation. See here, it is also appeared here. If we do this, it will appear by pushing the circle. The coincidence will appear. Pushing the point, okay, here we will delete it, and just like that it is free again. So let's go to another circles. We have 3-point circle. See here, here, and we can do it this, as we want. Those are the only 2 circles right here. So let's go to next. We go into rectangular shapes. There are a lot of types of rectangle. There are 2 points rectangular shapes. The first one, the second one. There are the center rectangular line, like this one. Put it here, and it will be centered, automatically centered. See here, there are the 3 points rectangular. First one, the second one, and the final one. Understand? There are the 3 points but another type. We began with the first one, second one, and like that. See here, can do it right here, like this, as we want. See, there are types. One, I'll be doing it again. 1, 2, 3. So, which means the first line is the first point is here, this point. Then the second point is here. Then the third point is when we drag it down. Okay. The third one, we've been doing this point, this one, and this one. See, this is the third one. We can do it as we want. So, see here. Those are the rectangular shapes. This one here, center line, or tangent arc, or 3D point arc. We'll be doing it now. See here, if we have a line, I've already showed you before, simple line like this. See this line. We can add a point like this. See, we can do this as simple as that. Or we can do a tangent line like this one. Like I've already showed you, this tangent line, which is automatically done like when we have a line right here. See here, it's automatically done. We have a line. When we return to the point, it will be automatically done like this. Understand? And the final and the third one is this, the 3-point one, like this or like this, as we want. And now let's go to the polygon. The polygon is very simple. Gentlemen, I'm going to show you a hidden trick in the sketches. As you see, everything we do here, lines, everything we do, there is a hidden trick here. See, if we go to the property manager, see here, we can see all details. We can even change everything here. See, new polygon. See, we can change everything as much as we want. See, for the same thing for rectangular, if we want everything here, we can change anything. Understand right now? This is the design tree, or maybe the design manager, but this is the property manager. As you see, this property manager will allow us to see everything here with the feature that we choose, lines, and it will show us also the relations. See here, the horizontal, vertical, fix. You can fix it. As you see here, if we press this line example and Control key, we can a lot of options appear here. See, you can make it horizontal, you can make it vertical. This option here appear only if we press this and Control key. See here, now it have disappeared because I put away the mouse. See here, it now appear again. If I press this and Control key, I will show it to you again, this, to show us only the possible relation for this line. But if we press the Control key and press this, it will show us the relations that can be done between the two options. We can make them collinear, like this. It is not possible because this one has already, I have to remove the angle. Second. If we do this, as we see, and this, we can make them collinear. See, now they are collinear. This option here. All those are shown by this option right here. As you see, the view sketch relation. You can extract it from here. You can view sketch, and you see them. View sketch relation. Drag it and put it here. So you can use it. If we remove this, all the relation will disappear. If we push it again, all the relation will appear. And we can add any relation, and we can also delete it. See here, now they are no longer collinear. If we put them collinear, as you see, return duration, they move together. See? Now, let's try another option here. Like I told you, we also can do it in the property manager. If we press the C here and here, it will only appear here. See here? And here. Also, see here? Here? Because sometimes it disappears. You can't do it. You have to select it again from here. If you disappear, you can do it from here also. Not any problem at all. This does not disappear. If that one, the other one disappear, this one if disappear because you took the mouse away, it stays here. You can use it as much as you want. So, as I already told you, there is relations here. This property can give us all the possible options about the sketch, everything about it. Okay then. Now we have this one. I'll be defining it later. This one, those one I'll be defining them later because they need a lot of things to understand. So right here, if we put this, because wanna know why that doesn't work? Because if we measure this one right here, if we push the button, it is set millimeter. Right here, we have it was 10 millimeter, because we can't do a huge filler right here. If we push 3 or maybe 4, because we have 7, it will be done. See here, we go to 10, it is not done. 7, done. See, more than 7 we can't do it. See, I know why, because we have this one 7.8. we can do a huge feather there, bigger than that one. See here. Good. Now we have a chamfer. Chamfer, there are a lot of types of chamfers. You can do it like this. Chamfer like this, 10 out of 10. We can remove the equal distance. We can put 10, 5. See here. We can change it as we want. See here. 2. It is all clear. We put back the equal distance and remove the distance, and with angle. You can put the 10 on the angle. Understand? Which means like this, 10 at angle. We will do 5 because we have this shape. 5 on the angle. If you want to change the angle to be another thing, to be not 5, like to be less 5 from this point, and we can measure the other with the sinus and the cosinus relation. Understand? Okay, so this is under right now. Those are the simple shapes. We are going now next to the difficult shapes. See here, those shapes are little complex. They are used in advanced. The first shapes I have showed you right now, they are used in the associate level. The other shapes right now, like this one, are not used a lot in the associate. They are used in the professional. So let's begin. The slot. See here. First we select this point, then this point, then we open it. So, like I've told you before, the slot, by pushing it 2 times, see here, we can put 10 here. And we have to fix a point. So what is still right now? Still the dimension. See here, dimension. What dimension is missing? When you push this, it will appear. The 5 example. See here, that dimension, we can choose it at any time by clicking it 2 times. For example, 7. No problem at all. If we remove the fixation right here, it will be free again. See? And we can fix it with this one to fix it all. This will fix a point. This will auto insert dimension. Okay, then this is the simple slot. We go next to center line slot. As we see these 2 points, one first point here, the second point here, and this will be selecting the center line. The first point will be the center, then this, then open it. See, as simple as that. Then we have the 3-point slot, arc slot. We'll be doing this, then this. See the first point like this one, second point this one, but there are arc, there is an arc. We do this, and then we can choose the center, where we place the center. See here, this one, then we open it. It's the 3 points. The first point is this, the second point is this, and the third point is the center of the slot. Then we open the center. Open the slot as much as we want. And as usual, we place the dimension and we make sure that the sketch is fixed, is black. See, all this is in blue. When it becomes all black, it means that it is all well defined. If it is red or yellow, if it is yellow, it is mean there are a problem in the sketch. If it is red, which means that it is not working at all, a huge problem. Yellow, which means that it is not well calculated. You have to adjust the sketch. Okay, the final one, the third one, this point. This point is the center. Then do this like the circle, like this one, the arc points arc. Then do this, see here, open it, select the center, then this one, see, this one, the first one, then do an arc, then select open. Okay then. Okay, so this is it for the slot. Let's go to the spline. The spline is not even usually in the professional level. It is hardly used. But it is used in the surfacing and in the advanced level. See here, when you use the spline, we have like this. We can shape anything we want. See, but if we double click it, it will appear. See here, a lot of things will appear. We can change the dimension. We have to place the angle. And a lot, it is very complex. The spline is used in complex shapes. See here? Okay then. It is not normally used. There are a lot of types of spline. There are equation splines which we not be working with, since it needs an equation. We keep it simple for you because you are this is a basic video for you, as you see. We will not be going in it a lot because it is advanced. And we have the ellipse shape. What is the ellipse shape? It is a special shape that demands 2 diameters. See here, the first diameter and the second one. See, we can do it like this. If we want to define it, we'll be putting the first diameter. Okay, then the second diameter. And what the rest is the fixation. See, if we press fixation, and the rest is also the angle. If we put this and this horizontal, it will be fixed like that. Okay, now until right now we have showed you almost those. We don't need a lot. As you see, it is not it is like the others. Okay, let's take an example like this one. See, we can put the half of it, or this one. See, it is simple, very simple to use, but they are hardly used in SolidWorks. Those shapes are hardly used. See this and this, and ellipse are hardly used. We only use those in the professional and associate level. And we use also the text, plane, points, as you see, because we can use points to help us in other things. We can place as much point as we want here, since it is selected here. And we can use text also, like this one. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. See? And we will be placing it. See here? We can place that by a point. See? Or here. By selecting this, it will be following it. See? Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Understand? And select anything we want right here, even this line. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay then. This is how it is selected. Or we can keep it simple and we can change it location by clicking on it like this. You can place it whenever we want. So those are the simple sketch tools. And next we'll be going to the toolerations and to we'll be using this tool. This tool is very important in SolidWorks. It will help us. By clicking on this tool, it will be automatically selected. See, this tool will help us to do anything. By doing this, see, by returning to the point, we can undo it. By pressing Ctrl Z, it will be returned. We can do any interference right here. See, this one is interfering with those points. SolidWorks, by clicking on it, see, it will give us the option to eliminate anything until the point we select. See here, we can even extend it. See, by clicking on it, we can even extend it as much as we want. See, it is not only the trim tool. It will be selecting everything in this tab. By doing this, click and selecting this one. See here, we can eliminate a part of it. See here, we can eliminate any part we want, like this one. See, it's as simple as that. This tool will help us a lot. Clicking on it. See, if we go to this tab, Property Manager, it will be showing us the Power Trim tool. The Power Trim tool will do all the others combined. By doing this, this will be only doing the corner. See here, this one will be doing the part, the inside. This one will be doing the outside. This one will be doing the closet. See, the Power Trim is the best tool. Okay then, we have this the extend. As I showed you already, we can do this. We can double click it again and we extend it. See, it's the contrary of the trim tool. See, since we have we have eliminated this one, we can return it like this. See, or we can return it like this as we want. See, like this one. See, we can extend the feature until it reaches the next sketch. See here, we don't have since it pass. Okay, see here, can extend as much as we want. It's the contrary of the other feature. See, okay then. See, when you push this, the other is also selected. See, because it is included in the feature. Push this, it will be taken us to this one, and we will be continuing our work like this one. See, by pushing this one, you can either delete it or use this trim tool like this. By clicking on it, it will be done. See, by Ctrl Z, it will be returned, and we even can return. We have given trim. See here, by returning to the point, it will be eliminated. I will show it to you again. See, see this one. See, we can return it again. That's the trim tool. It will help us to shape the difficult shapes, which means when we use the line and the rectangular and the circle together to create another new shape, we have to use this tool to eliminate the other unused line. The things that we don't use, we have to remove them with this tool. So, what this tool will do? This tool will be helping us a lot. This tool right here is to convert sketch from one plane to another. See here, if we get out of the sketch, we can get out of the sketch or from here, the best one, or from here. See here, or we can right click on it and from here. See this wheel right here, I have already configured this wheel. It will help you a lot. See, it will help you a lot to manipulate SolidWorks. How we return to SolidWorks right now sketch? By clicking right click on it from here, or right click on it from here, edit sketch, or we can add the plane. So let me show you what this tool do. By seeing this plane right here, we have been working on from the start. Seeing it is a plane we have been working it from the start. By selecting this plane and going to push Ctrl key and then going to this point, we can create another plane. Or by going to this tab right here, references and plane, we can also select the base plane and we choose the relation between the two planes, the first one and the second one. We can make it perpendicular, but it will need the line of the interaction between this plane and this plane. We can give it a distance like this one. See here, and we can do a lot of all those ones. Can even do there is a lot of option, unlimited option right here. We can do an angle, we can do it perpendicular, we can even place other relation like this one. If we select this one and this one, it will be automatically done between by pushing this one. See here, the middle plane. It will be given us the distance between those divided by 2. It will be placed in the middle. Okay, we don't need that one. So, see here the new plane we have created. By right clicking on it, we can create a sketch. See here, or we can right click on it, sketch, or we can do it from here. Sketch, right click, sketch. Okay then. See here, the new sketch we have created is empty. There is nothing in it. This is the first sketch. If we want to use the first sketch in our second sketch, this is used. Imagine the first sketch is the first part, and we have a second part, and we want to take some of those shapes from the first part. Okay, then by pushing the convert entity, we can select any entity we want, and we convert to this sketch. See here, and it is black. Why it is black? Because it is related to the first sketch, and when we change this one, the other one will be it will be following it. See here, sketch. See here. Why don't see the sketch? Because we have done it after the other one. Can't see it. But if we do this, move this one, it will be following it. See, by pushing the rebuild button. See, I'll do it again. It will be following it. See, the same sketch, because it is related to the other one by the convert entity. See, can do the normal by Control 8 or by clicking it like this one, clicking on it, and normally will be seen by existing be seen this one. See, and we can edit the sketch another time. See here, but it will always follow the other one. See, you can also but it will follow. We can do anything. We can take the shape, it will follow because it is related. So it will allow us to convert any the shape from the other sketch. We can use it for construction. If we select construction, it will be like this. See here, interrupted, because we can't do a shape from an interrupted line. It is only for to help us to do the other main lines. So this is the first things we have to know, must know in SolidWorks. The others two is complex. We'll be talking about them in the more advanced levels, as you see, because they are little. They need a lot. They need a condition so we can use them. Okay, then after going to this one, now we are going to this one, the offset quantity. By clicking on the offset quantity, we can select a line and it will be giving us a 10. See here, we can push the reverse. We can change the dimension as much as we want, or we can do the two sides from here. We can link it to the other one, see, the two by lines or by arcs, see, or make it construction geometry. See here, we can make it construction geometry. Can do this and this at the same time. See, it's very good. This tool is very useful, especially in the professional level, because it helps us. Every one is here is very important. You have to learn it in order to advance rapidly in SolidWorks. So after learning what the offset entity do, let's go to the mirror entity. In order to have a mirror entity in the sketch, as you see in the picture right here, we need the center line. See here, we have to go to this one. By clicking on the space button, we can have this one by here, from here, or from here. See here, view orientation, and we have the normal tool here. See those, I have customized them for fast access. But by clicking the space button or from here, we'll have this cubic shape, and it will allow us to select any plant with any view we want to see here. See in the picture right here, it will give us the view. By pushing this one, it will be given us to the front one. And now let's create a center line. Let's hide the other sketch, and we will delete this one. We'll be focusing on this one. Okay, then create a center line, because we don't use a center line, only we need for the mirror entity. See here, by clicking the entity to mirror, this one, and clicking the line, since we are in the sketch, we click the line, or we can use also a plane without any problem. We need a line or a plane. Let's see here. We have created a mirror to this one, and it will be related to it. See here, if we change this one, the other one will follow it without any problem. See, they are the same one, just mirrored. Okay, then this is the mirror. See here, it is very simple. We can also remove it. See, if we return by Ctrl Z, I want to mirror this, and at the same time I want to delete it. I click on this one, the entity mirror, remove the copy here, click the copy, but okay, this one now will be removed. See, as simple as that. But we lost the relation between the both of them. See, it is now flexible. The other one is related to this sketch, remember? But when we have removed the copy, it is no longer related. See, it is no longer related to this one because we have removed the copy button. See this one in black, it is already defined and related to the other previous sketch. But when we remove this, it will create a new one, mirror to this one, but it will remove the relations. It is free right now. See? Okay. Do this one. Okay. It's very clear. See? You can't see here. You can't do it like the other one. See? But if we go to conditions, we can also change this one. See here, symmetric. We can delete it as much as we want. Okay, then next we are going to the linear pattern line. Okay, we have the x-axis, which is this one. See here, or we can change it by clicking on the line here. See, it's now selected the line, and here we select the entity to pattern, and we'll be selecting two entities here, this one and this one. And now you have to select the value. Here we have only one. If we push this 2, it will be doing 2. 3, it will be doing 3. And this is the distance. See here, distance. And we can also do it another in the y-axis. See here, can do it. See, by selecting it, you can do it all of it on the y-axis. But we will remove it right now, and we only focus on one axis. Okay, then see here the pattern. Now we have selected this line. We select this one, and we change the distance as much as we want. We can do any number we want, but see here, once it is done, it is not related to one another, because this shape is not precise, it is very complex. See here, but if we don't do a circle or a line, see here, it is another story. Those shapes, it will be SolidWorks will give us more options in them. See here, let's do this for example. If we select this one and we select the number we want like this, and we'll be selecting the distance also like this one. See here, by selecting the pattern and one, see here, we'll be able to add this one. We can't see here, this option is we can select from the other one by clicking on it, which will allow us to be. This one does not give us this option, see here, because it is a very complex shape. Same for the other. See here, we can even edit the linear pattern line, and we can add a circle to it if we want. See here, without any problem at all. See, it does not appear only if we push on the sketch edit line pattern, linear pattern. Okay then, so it is as simple as that. Let's go to the circular pattern right now. The circular pattern requires a point or require a circle. See here, by clicking on the thing we want to pattern and clicking on the point we want to pattern about. See here, we can do the distance, the angle we want. See, 116. We remove this option. See, this option will divide the 360 degree on 4. We can do 6. See, or we can customize it as much as we want. This is the point that we do the pattern about, since it is on a plane on the X and Y. See here, and this one is the angle. This is the radius of that we have selected. This is the angular spacing. Okay, this is the distance between this one and this one. See here, 32.5. With this option we can escape one of those lines. See here, can remove it from the linear circular pattern. The same thing on the linear. If we go to the linear, go here, edit this one. When we put let's say 2, 3, let's add another one. We can select the ones to ignore, escape. So here it covers a point. We can remove the first one, which is this one, or the second one, which is this one, will be removed the first. See? See? Okay. See, this one has been removed right now. Okay then. This is until right now we have drawn the linear and the circular pattern. Now we have this feature. This feature is very, very important in the advanced SolidWorks modules. See here, we can move an entity, we can copy that entity, we can rotate that entity, and we can scale the entity. And everything we can sketch, we can do it here. If we want to move the entity, select that entity and select the point that we want to drag this entity like this. See? We can't do it. Why? Because it is related to the pattern. Like this. See this one? This pattern. It is related to this one. We can't change it like, see? Can't move it. Because it's see the relation. We have to move something unrelated. Like this one. We'll be moving it right now. See? Selecting the point. Any point we want. To be moving like this one. Since it is not we can move the entire thing. This option capability is to move a lot of things together. See, help us to gain a lot of time. See, some people do this control and select this and select this, and then they select this one. Then they select this one and they keep selecting until they. Some people do this, select everything and move it as much as you want. So this one will give us an option to copy all of it. See here, want to copy this, same thing, you have to select the point and do it like this, we put it whenever you want. Okay then. There is an option to put this in block in the sketch we can make it all rotated, but that is an advanced option. So the other one will give us the option to rotate. As usual, select everything, give us the point I want to rotate about and the angle. See, we can keep the relation with this point. If we have a relation this perpendicular to this or this, we can rotate it. See here, not any problem at all. And this is a very important option. See here, it will give us the scale option. We want to scale about a point, like always, it is always about a point, and we want to scale 2 times. And we can create a copy of it too. See, maybe 4 times. See, we can even make it little. See this one is little right now. Do this one is little smaller. See, this is the scale option. We can remove the copy and we can change it. Take this one, remove it, and make it little like this. See? Okay, then let's go to the next option. This one will be ignored. Now let's go to this one. This one is very important one. This one will give us the option to see all the relations between the sketches and every relation between one another. See, this one is coincidence, this one. I'll be defining all those relations later in another video. So, and we can add relations. See this one, and it will give us option. We want that one perpendicular to that one. Give us option, and we can. There is a simpler way. Okay, as I have already told you, if we select this one and this one, it will be shown as the possible relation, either by doing this way, add relation, or by doing the other way, like I showed you. The control key, and there, this, and this. And will give us the options right here. See, we can make it collinear, this one. See, or we can make it perpendicular. See, we can do it parallel also. See, and the equal, which means the same length. See here, if we select this one, double clicking on it, sharp. See, this one is 102, and this one is 102, the same length. Why? By right clicking on this line to give us the things that are related to it. See, here, everything will be shown right here. By viewing this, we have this option I have added here. You can click on it, and it will be shown as is by default selected. It will be shown as all the relations. See, this one is perpendicular to this one. We can do whenever we want. Another we can do it parallel. See, it is now added option. See this one. This one is patterned. I have already showed you that. When we click this, we can edit the pattern. See, this option means the pattern. Okay, same for this one. Click, we find the pattern. See, this one, since it is a difficult shape, it will not be demonstrated the pattern like this one. Okay, then this one will allow us to define whenever we want to a point. For example, this circle, I want to be defined. I don't want to break my head and put the dimension. I select this circle and calculate it to give us the dimension automatically. See, and we can change it as we want. See, as simple as that. Or we can can define if we have a complex, very complex sketch, and we want to gain a lot of time, and we don't want to define any. We want to find out which sketch or which line it's not defined. You can select this. After defining the majority of the sketch, when we don't find difficulty and define the sketch, we can calculate it. See here, it will be define everything in the blink of an eye. See, all defined, without any problem. All these black ones are defined. This one, since it is spline shaped, cannot be defined, and this one is already a pattern. It will follow the other one. Understand? Okay, then we will not using it. See, this is the sketch 2. Now the other one, it is not very used. So this is all for the sketches. Okay, then let's go to the simple 2D features, 3D features, like this one. Okay,